Hello everyone, my name is Mihkael, or you can call me Mihkael, and today I want to tell you about the midterm project Cross Cultural Understanding. So, here we go.
Hello everyone, I'm back. So today I want to tell you about the midterm project CCU 1. So here we go. For the first, let's discuss about intercultural communication. In today's globalized world, intercultural communication has become an essential aspect of both personal and professional interaction. The rapid growth of international business, migration, and technology has brought people from diverse cultural backgrounds into constant contact. However, while globalization creates opportunities for collaboration, it also introduced challenges in understanding and interpreting messages across cultural boundaries. Next, definition and importance of intercultural communication. Intercultural communication refers to the exchange of information between individuals or groups from different cultural backgrounds, where differences in beliefs, values, norms, and communication styles influence how messages are sent and received. According to Semaphore and Porter 2014, it involves understanding not only the language used but also the underlying cultural meanings that shape communication behaviors. Intercultural communication is essential for effective collaboration across borders. It supports business, education, and diplomacy by promoting understanding and respect among diverse cultures. Miscommunication can cause conflict, so developing intercultural competence is vital for global success. Next, challenge in intercultural communication. Challenge in intercultural communication include 1. Language barriers. Differences in language or proficiency can cause misunderstanding. Second, stereotypes and prejudice. Oversimplified cultural views hinder openness and respect. Third, differences in communication style. High context and low context cultures may interpret messages differently. 4. Nonverbal misunderstanding. Gesture and body language vary across cultures. And the last, fifth, ethnocentrism. Judging other cultures by one's own standards creates barriers to understanding. Next, real-life example. Successful intercultural communication, McDonald Global Adaptation. McDonald's demonstrates successful intercultural communication by adapting its product and marketing to local cultures. The company adjusts menu, such as offering vegetarian option in India and Ramadan special in Indonesia, and tailors advertisement to match local values. This cultural sensitivity helps McDonald's build trust, loyalty, and global brand success. Example in Indonesia, in Japan, and in India. So the conclusion is intercultural communication is vital for connecting people and nations with empathy and understanding. It requires awareness of language, communication styles, and nonverbal differences to avoid misunderstanding. McDonald's global strategy show how cultural sensitivity and adaptability can turn barriers into opportunities, making intercultural communication essential for harmony and success in today's interconnected world. Okay, now let's discuss about the different topic. Case study 2. The relationship between language and culture. Language and culture are deeply connected. Language not only reflects our culture values, beliefs, and social norms, but also shapes how people think and interact. Through language, people express respect, identity, and relationship, showing that communication styles are influenced by cultural context. Misunderstanding these cultural meanings can lead to communication problems. Next, cultural misunderstanding in language use. Misunderstanding can occur when people interpret language through their own cultural lens. For example, a Western manager might say, "This is wrong," directly, which in Western culture show honesty and efficiency. However, in Indonesian culture, such directness may seem rude or disrespectful. Conversely, when Indonesian employees use soft expression like "maybe we can try another way," Westerners might see it as indecisive or unclear. These differences can create tension and reduce trust if cultural context is not understood. So, the conclusion is understanding the relationship between language and culture is essential for effective communication. Every word, tone, and expression carries cultural meaning. By being culturally aware and respectful, communicators can avoid misunderstanding, build stronger relationships, and foster cooperation in our increasingly globalized world. So, next, in this part two, I want to answer the question that has been given. So here we go. For case study number one, cultural barriers in a multinational team. Main cultural barriers, different communication styles. Germans are direct, Japanese and Indonesians are indirect. Different power distance levels. Germany low, Indonesia high. Different attitudes toward conflict and feedback. Number two, data or evidence. Hofstede scores Germany individualism 67, Japan uncertainty avoidance 92, and Indonesia power distance 78. HBR 2018, 72% of global teams face issue due to direct vs versus indirect feedback styles. And next, last, impact on teamwork. Silence in is misinterpreted as agreement, slow decision making and missed deadlines, and lower trust and increased tension. Next, now we go to case study 2, language and culture in marketing. First, cause of communication failure. Indonesian ads are emotional, collectivist, and high context. European Europe audience prefer rational, individualist, and low context message. Second, data or evidence. Indonesia individualism is 14, Europe is 68 until 89. Nielsen 2019, Asian consumers prefer emotional ads. Europeans Europe prefer informational ads. Third, cultural value influence. Indonesia family harmony togetherness. Europe personal choice, product quality and independence. Result, message felt irrelevant to Europe viewers. And the next, we go to the last case study, which is case study 3. Nonverbal communication. First, nonverbal issue identified. American representative keep checking his watch. seen as impatient in Arab culture. Physical distance to white, seen as cold or unfriendly by the Arab client. Second, data or evidence. Hall's theory, US, is monochronic or strict time. Arab cultures is polychronic or flexible time. Proxemic, proxemics. Arabs stand closer 20 until 60 centimeters. Americans prefer more space 45 until 120 centimeters. Next, third, impact on business interaction. Decreased trust and rapport, misinterpretation of intention, and less is negotiation progress significantly hindered.
So that's all about my presentation in part 1 and part 2 about the cross-cultural understanding. I hope you guys enjoy and understand while watching my videos, and see you. Bye bye.